because the machine was not working properly. It was geared to a higher level. It was not Margie's fault. If you if you get 10 standards paper right now, how will you perform? Right?
You will get 0 marks.
So same way, same thing was happening with Margie. That county inspector told Margie's mother that it was not Margie's fault. He said that sometimes machines malfunctioned, means machines don't work properly. And this happened with Margie's machine. He had slowed it down, so that county inspector came and he leveled it down, and he set it at the pace of a learner of 10 years of age, because Margie was 11. So that county inspector had set that computer, that machine, to 10 years of age level. He said that Margie was learning at a good pace. County inspector praised Margie. He again patted Margie's head. You know, patted, thap thapana. So he put his hand on Margie's head in order to cheer her up. Margie was sad because she did not want to learn. She did not want to study from the machine, and she wanted that inspector should take that machine away for repairing. Understood?
Yes, sir.
But Margie is reminded of the time when Tommy's mechanical teacher had been taken away for repair for almost 1 month. So once what happened? Tommy Tommy's mechanical teacher was there. It was not working properly, so that county inspector came and had taken the machine computer away for repairing for 1 month, and he was enjoying his time for 1 month and did not have to study. So Margie thought that this county inspector will take this machine for repairing for some days, but he repaired it in 1 hour.
Sir, all have their personal mechanical teacher of one class
Yes,
also.
personal. Yes, personal computers they have in and personal rooms where they study. And Tommy's mechanical teacher was taken away because in that history sector, that history subject was totally wiped out. That's why. So the mechanical teacher did not have any memory of it and had to be taken away for repair. उसमें से हिस्ट्री का पूरा सब चैप्टर्स ही निकल गए थे. So Tommy's mechanical teacher was taken away for 1 month. Now we know the reason for Margie's dislike for school. Now you know why Margie does not like school.
Yes, sir.
So she asked Tommy that why would anyone write about the school? Now coming back to our story that Tommy was reading the real book, and Margie is asking Tommy that how can anyone write a book about a school? Any doubt till here?
No, sir.
Yes, please read paragraph 6. Who will read?
I.
Sarai.
Okay, sir. Chaitanya will read.
Tommy looked at her with very superior eyes. Because it's not our kind of school, stupid. This is the old kind of school that
Where are you reading?
they had hundreds and six paragraph uh,
Yes.
fourth line. He added
Okay.
loftily, pronouncing the word carefully centuries ago. Margie was hurt. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago. She read the book over his shoulder for a while and then said, anyway, they had a teacher.
Continue. It is still there.
Sure, sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher. It was a man. A man. How could a man be a teacher? Well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions.
ओके सो दिस इज अबाउट ऑल ऑफ अस राइट नाउ जो स्कूल्स है उनके लिए तो वो पास्ट हो जाएगी आर यू गेटिंग इट और
Yes,
नॉट
sir.
ओके सो नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड Tommy was looking at Margie with superior eyes. Means he was looking like he is more knowledgeable than Margie because he knew something that Margie was not aware of. You know, when you know something, and your friend does not know,
Yes, sir.
you will look like you are very proud that you know this. I knew this before, like that.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
So
Yes, sir.
Tommy was looking at Margie, and Margie was not knowing one fact which Tommy was knowing. Which was that fact? And Tommy also said Margie was very silly because she did not know that many years ago, what was not there, this mechanical teacher was
Mechanic
not there.
teacher.
Yes, the school was not the kind they had. The school was in a building, benches were there, classrooms were there, students used to go. उनके लिए तो ये सब न्यू होगा ना. For you it is common, but for them it will be new thing to know. So
Yes, sir.
Tommy Tommy wanted to stress on the time period and said that centuries ago, means more than 100 years ago, the schools were not like the ones they had, means not the mechanical teacher. Margie was hurt at Tommy's behavior. Margie really felt upset, and she said that she did not know what kind of schools they had centuries ago. She was curious, she was eager, and she imagined a group of children being taught by a human teacher. See, like this. उनके लिए ये सब न्यू है. They don't know that really 2020 में 2021 में ऐसा था. So Margie was surprised that really a human being was standing in front of the class and taught the same lesson to everyone sitting in the class. So for future generation students, it will be new because they will not have seen these schools. Are you understanding the story's concept?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes,
Now I
sir.
understood.
Yes. So Margie was not ready to believe that how can a human being become a teacher? She looked over Tommy's shoulder, trying to read the book, and said, "Perhaps they had a teacher." So Margie was trying to read that book. Tommy was not showing her. Then what did Tommy say? He said that it wasn't a machine, it was a man who taught them. It was a man. But did Margie believe? Margie could not believe that
No, sir. I
a
don't
man
believe.
was a teacher. Margie could not believe that a man was a teacher because she has always seen a machine teaching her. She has never seen a man teaching her. Then Tommy tells that the man who taught the class, means when the teachers were there, real teachers, human beings were there, they discussed so many things with the students, gave them homework, and they asked the different questions based on the lesson, just like the mechanical teacher did. But instead of mechanical teacher, there were human beings who were teaching. Tommy said to Margie, ये सब बुक में लिखा था. Then
Okay,
what
sir.
happened? Margie said that a man teacher is not so smart or intelligent like a machine teacher. So what do you think? Is she right? Is she right? Hello.
Probably, sir. Probably, sir. I don't know.
Okay. Okay. Please
Sir, he
read
was
paragraph
right
7.
because.
Yes, you readers, we have to complete this chapter today. Only 10
Okay, sir.
paragraphs are there. Please be quick.
Okay, sir. A man is a smart enough. Sure, he is. My father know as much as my teacher. He know almost as much. I bet. Mary wasn't prepared to dispute that. She said, "I wouldn't want a strange man in my house to teach me." Tommy screamed with laughter. You don't know much, Maggie. The teacher didn't live in the house. They had a special building, and all the kids went there. And all the kids learned the same thing. Sure, if they were the same age. But my mother said the teacher eh, has to be adjusted to fit the mind to each boy and girl to teach, and then that each kid has been and taught differently. Just the same they did not do it their way. Then if you don't like to if you don't like it, you don't have to read book. I didn't say I didn't like Maggie said quickly.
Okay. You also read paragraph 8?
Okay, sir. I I I don't know. I going reading.
I told you till 7 only. Anyway. So, what happened? Margie said that a man teacher is not as smart as machine teacher. Tommy asks Tommy asks Margie not to underestimate the human teacher. Underestimate means उनको
Ignore.
उसको कम मत समझना. So Tommy said, "Don't underestimate human teacher." He said that he is also as knowledgeable as the machine, because who has made the machine after all? Human.
Woman.
Yes. He compares the machine to his father. Tommy compares the machine to his father and says that his father knows as much as the machine teacher. Then here the word is given becha. Becha means I bet you. I am sure. Means शरत लगानी. So what happened over here? Tommy could bet on it that the human teacher knew as much as the mechanical teacher did. Both were equally knowledgeable. So Margie did not want to discuss this thing further. And she said that she did not want a strange man. Margie said that I don't want a human teacher to come to my house and teach me, because there will be no schools in that time. Only personal rooms in the homes. Got it? So
Yes, sir.
Tommy found that it was very funny when Margie said that she did not want a strange man to come to her house to teach her. But right now, are the teachers coming to the house to teach? No, you all come to school, no? So he said that the, Tommy said that the teachers did not come to students' house to teach them. They had a special building and a school, it was called. And the students went to the school to study. ऐसा था past में. Tommy is explaining Margie. Is the story clearly getting into your head?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, ये लोग अभी पास्ट की बात करें. हमारे लिए ये प्रेजेंट है, लेकिन उनके लिए तो पास्ट होगा ना, बिकॉज दैट इज
Yes,
ट्वेंटी वन
sir.
फिफ्टी सेवन. Yes. So Margie was astonished. Margie was, she was surprised and asked that all the children learn the same thing. How is it possible? Because they have mechanical teacher and all the children learn different things at the same time. But in the class, you all learn same thing at the same time. So
Yes, sir.
Tom said all the children of the same age who are in same standard, they studied the same thing. Yes, paragraph 8 continue.
She want, sir. I
But
read
my
from
mother
first.
said,
Mohammad Raza, let him read.
but my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl. It teaches and that each kid has to be taught differently. Just the same, they didn't do it their way. Then if you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. I didn't say I didn't like it. Margie and
Margie.
Margie said quickly she wanted to read about Those funny schools. They weren't even half finished when Margie's mother called Margie school. Margie looked up. Not yet, Mamma. Now, said Mr. John and Mrs. Jones, and it's probably time for Tommy too. Margie said to Tommy, can I read the book some more with you after school?
Okay. So here what is given in the eighth paragraph. Margie refers to machine teacher. She says that her mother told her that the machine had to be tuned to the level of each boy or girl who was studying from it. क्योंकि मशीन को तो सेट करना पड़ता है according to the age of the student, 10 years or 12 years. We have to set the machine according to the age of the student. But human teacher knows the age of the student and teaches the same way. But in mechanical teacher, we have to set the age of the student, right? So each child had to be taught separately depending on their level from the machine teacher. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So, what did Tommy say? Tommy replied that in the past they did not do it that way. He got irritated at Margie and said that no need to read the book. She does not have to read the book. Tommy said to Margie. Now Margie is interested in the book because if you tell someone no, then that person will be more interested. She wants to know. She is very curious that what kind of schools were there in the past, in 2020, in 2021. Margie was inquisitive, means she was very excited to know. She wanted to know what kind of schools were there in the past, and she felt that these schools were really fun. Means right now what you have, though from since 1 year it's not like it's not possible, but the schools that you have right now are fun. Margie thought that they were having fun. So Margie had read just half of the book when her mother called her, as it was the time for her to attend the virtual school. So मार्गी ने अभी पूरी बुक रीड नहीं की थी जो टॉमी के पास थी, बट नाउ इट वाज द टाइम फॉर हर लेक्चर. Virtual school means the mechanical teacher and mother called Margie. So Margie's school was, where was the school? It was in the next room, next to her bedroom. And she said to her mother, not yet. She did not want to go to school. Means she said that I don't want to attend the lecture today, please. Then what happened? Yes. Margie's mother said to Tommy, Margie's mother said to Tommy that it was the time for him to go to school. Also, Tommy had to go. Hello, are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Listening.
sir.
Okay. So, Tommy was also sitting there with Margie. So, Margie's mother said to Tommy, you also go, you also have your lecture, go to your virtual school. So, Margie was so interested in reading the book that she asked Tommy if she could read the book with him after the school. Means, वो तो घर में ही स्कूल थी. So, after the lecture gets over, she asked. Any doubt? Any
Maybe
doubt?
he said no.
Continue.
Maybe he said no nonchalantly. He walked away with
It is
whistling
nonchalantly.
nonchalantly. Nonchalantly. He walked away whistling the dusty old book tucking beneath his arm. Margie went into the schoolroom. He was right next to her bedroom, and the mechanic teacher was on and waiting for her. It was always on the same time every day except
Except,
Saturday and Sunday.
continue.
Because her mother said little girl learn learn better if they learn at regular. The screen was light up and it said today's arithmetic lesson is on the additional of proper fraction. Please insert yesterday homework in the proper slot.
Lot.
Slot.
Yes, now what happened? See, the word is given non-challenging activity. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Tommy tried to ignore her and said that maybe she could read it. Tommy did not say yes. He said, maybe I will give you for reading. Tommy was feeling very great because Margie was interested in reading the books. When you have a book and everyone wants to read it and only you have it, then how will you feel? Great, right? So Tommy was feeling very great because Margie wanted to read that book, and he placed the book under his arms and he went off to his home. You know how to place the book under your arms? Hello.
Sir,
Tommy placed the book under his arm and he went off to his home for the classes. Margie reached her school. It was a room just next to her bedroom. It was not the real classroom, it was virtual classroom. See, like this. Future schools will be like this in your homes. Did you see this? Just like we have online classes right now. So would you like this for the lifetime? Hello, are you listening? It was a virtual classroom. There was a machine teacher for Margie. It was on, switched on, and it was waiting for her to begin teaching her. It was waiting that the lecture will start. Margie studied all the days of the week except Saturdays and Sundays. She did not study on Saturday and Sunday. At the same time, from the mechanical teacher. Margie's mother was very particular. Margie's mother was very strict and punctual. What did she say? She said that Margie would learn better if she would study every day at the same time. Right? Every day, if you study from 4 to 6 in the evening, you have to keep the time same every day. So your mind will get used to it. Same thing Margie's mother told her. Understood? Understood? Hello? Hello?
yes, sir.
What? Yes, sir. What did you understood? What did you understand? Tell me.
So sorry, sir. I am left for 2 minutes because phone has come.
I said that Margie studied every day except for Saturday Sunday. She did not study on Saturday and Sunday. And mother was very strict and particular, and she said that Margie should learn every day during the same timings. If it is 4 to 6, then keep the time same every day. So your mind will get used to it. Then what
Yes.
happened? Margie sat in front of the machine just like a computer. It is not a computer, but just like computer. And the machine was turned on. It said that the lesson of the day was in arithmetic. That day, it gave arithmetic lesson to Margie. And what was the topic? Topic was addition of proper fractions that she was studying that day. Further, it also instructed her to insert the homework of the previous day in the slot. right? Before the new lesson starts, the teacher will check the homework of the previous day or not.
Yes, sir.
So
Sir, I
the
have one
machine,
doubt.
one minute,
Sir,
machine asks Margie to insert the homework of the previous day. Only then it will start the new lesson of the day. Yes, tell me.
sir, we are not the homework. Our teacher beat. Then that robot beat is not the homework.
No, it will just not give the new classes, and your studies will suffer.
Okay, sir.
Parents will come to know. Parents might beat no Margie's mother. So, do you also want the same classroom the whole lifetime,
No,
or
no,
do you
no.
want this classroom real?
We don't want this classroom.
Do you want virtual classroom, virtual or real?
Sir, that the beat is more the beat is
This is
less
year
harmful than the mother's beat.
2157. This will happen in future, right?
Yes.
Let us read the last paragraph and complete it. Read it fast.
Margaret, Margaret did so with a sigh. She was thinking about the old school they had when her the grandfather was a little boy. All the kids for the whole neighbor came laughing and shouting in schoolyard, sitting together in schoolrooms, going home together at the end of the day. They learned the same thing and saw that the school help one another with the homework and talk about it. The teachers were people and the teachers were people. The mechanic teacher was flashed on the screen when the additional fiction one upon two and one upon four. Margaret was thinking about her how the kids must have loved it in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had.
Okay. See now, the last paragraph what they have given, you might have understood.
Yes, sir, understood.
Margie's life is also very mechanical, just like machine. उसकी life ही machine जैसी हो गई. There is no fun in her life, in her classroom, like you all have fun. It is very dull and boring, just like a machine. She was thinking about the old schools. So Margie is thinking of the story told to her by her grandfather. Because Margie's grandfather, when he was alive, he told Margie how they studied. Means her grandfather means all of us. हमारी एज के होंगे ना क्योंकि वो पास्ट की बात कर रही है.
Sir, they said we are her grandfather's grandfather.
Yes, means ancestors.
Yes,
So Margie was thinking that once her grandfather had told her the story that her grandfather used to go to school when he was a little boy. As Margie is bored with this machine, she is reminded of that life. She thinks that that life was better. मतलब उसको लग रहा है कि हमारी लाइफ जो थी 2020 21 में 20th सेंचुरी में 21st सेंचुरी में सॉरी that was far better, right? And we think that future will be better. Future children will be luckier. But see what will happen in future. So aren't we lucky?
yes, sir, we are lucky.
Yes. So this is the life that you all are living at the present. I want to tell all the students who are attending the lecture right now, please value the school that you have. This is about the school. You are lucky that you are coming to school. In future, maybe there will be no schools after 100 years. So this is the life that you all are living at present. But for future kids, it will just be a memory of the past. So for them, it will be history because their life will be very different. They will study from the machines, not like you are all studying from the human teacher in the class, right? So who is
Yes, sir.
luckier? Future generation or the present generation?
Present.
Yes. So, uh, when Margi comes to know that in the past children used to go to school, they sat together, laughed, shouted in the school, in the recess they played, all that things she came to know. So, do you know what does the writer wants all of us to realize? I am asking this question to you.
We have to value our
What
school life.
what is the name of the writer?
Sir, voice is cutting.
Who is the writer? Who is the writer?
Isaac Asimov.
Issa Asimov. Alright.
Isaac.
Isaac Asimov.
Isaac Asimov.
Isaac
Yes,
Isaac
Asimov.
Asimov. So I will tell you,
sir, Isaac Asimov.
the writer wants us to realize the importance of the schools in our life. Children sometimes get bored and fed up going to school, right? Sometimes in the morning you get up and say, "Aaj nathi jau," right?
Yes, yes, sir.
So yes, but if you don't have a school, you won't get to meet your friends. You won't have that fun. Your life will be very dull and boring then. Just imagine. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So Margi feels that the school is so much fun. Children get together, they study in a fun way, they get the same homework, they get together, they study in a fun way, they get the same homework,
Hello, sir.
No, sir.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Sir.
No,
Jeffane તું શું કર્યું?
no, sir.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
જઠાણે તું શું કર્યું? તો સર વયા ગયા.
मैं हैक करने
hello,
Okay, sir.
am I audible?
Sir,
Am I audible?
yes,
Hello,
sir. Sir, that time we
am I
have to
audible?
buy
Yes,
the
sir.
teacher. No?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, listen to me. Okay, listen to me.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sir, please off one audio, one mic of your two phone.
Am I audible now?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir, you
Audible.
are audible.
So, Margi feels that the school is so much fun. Children get together, they study in a fun way, they get the same homework, and they can discuss it and take the help and talk about it also. So, all the students become friendly, they get friends and they study in a fun way. And the teachers were real people. So, she found it very strange that the teachers were not the machines but they were human beings. So Margi was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. Now you understood the name of the lesson?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
your
Understood.
voice is coming too tight.
Yes. So now Margi understood the fun they had. Means the past children, means all of us right now. You all. How much fun you are having
Yes.
in your real school, not the virtual one. So Margi is thinking about the fun they had because this story is set in future, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So the author ends the story, Isaac Asimov. He ends the story with the title of the chapter, The Fun They Had. So Margi is just thinking about the kids of the past who went to school and enjoyed studies. Any doubt?
No, sir, no doubt.
What is the name of the author?
Isaac Asimov. Isaac Asimov.
No.
Isaac
Isaac.
Asimov.
You
Isaac.
know Isaac Newton?
What's that?
Newton, you have heard? Newton, scientist.
Yes.
So Isaac Asimov, Isaac Newton. Isaac is the word common. Isaac
Yes,
Asimov. And
sir.
what is the name of the lesson?
The fun they had.
The fun they had.
Lesson number one. Did you all
Sir,
understand the
I have
lesson?
one doubt. Sir,
Yes.
Mm,
sir,
Yes, ask me.
sir, I have write the poem one of poem one question answer. Then we have to write notes this or first full chapter of the poem that the road not taken.
You have write poem one, no problem. Poem one you have written, it's okay.
Sir, but I have written only question answer. The objective they
Only
are
question
left.
answer. No, in ninth standard, only question answer.
There are no objective.
No, only grammar and question answers. Chalo, now take mark. This question one full, short questions all seven, okay? Hello.
yes, sir.
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
Yes,
I
sir.
am
Sir, this is our
marking,
homework now.
yes, all these
Seven
questions.
questions.
No, not only seven. I'm giving you more.
Oh,
Yes, sir.
इसमें ऑब्जेक्टिव नहीं है तो क्वेश्चन आंसर को ऐड होंगे ना.
okay, sir.
Question one full, question two full. First take screenshot, then I will scroll.
Sir, homework में question one and question two.
Yes. Still I'm giving still. Did you do this much?
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Sir, in English companion there are more question answer than
No, only this many,
in
which are given in
sir
question in text.
in that poem that you have to told
Only
no
which I have
only
marked.
five.
मैंने जो कुछ किया ना, वही लिखना है.
Okay, sir.
Done this much, so I will scroll.
Done, sir.
Done.
Now in question 3 and 4, you see which one you have to write. In question number 3, mark number 2, number 4, and number 7. Done? Done?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Done.
And
Yes,
in the
sir.
main question number 4, 1 and 2, उसमें 3 है, उसमें से 2 दिए मैंने, 1 and 2. So this many you have to write. Total, you count it yourself. Total 4 main questions are there. Question 1 and 2 full, and question 3 and 4 I have given, which are marked.
Okay, sir. Sir, we have to write and send to homework teacher.
Yes.
Okay.
Is there any other doubt?
Yes, sir.
No, sir.
Sir, this
No,
we
sir.
have to
This
write in
chapter
fair
is
book or rough
No,
book.
sir.
Fair book, of course, fair book. See, I'll repeat, listen to me carefully. Question 1 full, question 2 full, question 3 में 2, 4 and 7, and question 4 में 1 and 2. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes. One last thing I want to tell you. Your friends, many of them have not attended today's lecture, and those who are present, they have also not heard me. But I have explained the lesson properly. Recording is done. Please watch the recording. I request all of you. Will you?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Sir, this chapter is interesting.